Welcome to CAD MAFIA. Today we are going to learn another simple model of toggle lever in SolidWorks as shown in this picture. Let's start. Select new, click on part and select OK. We go to change appearance and click on plain white. Now go to option. Click on document properties, select image quality, drag this to high to get best image quality and click OK. Now select front plane and click on sketch. First we need to draw this circle which diameter is 19.08 maximum and 19.05 minimum. We will take the lower one. Let's draw a circle here, and this arc radius is 22 mm. Let's draw another circle here. Give dimensions. The inner one is 19.05 and the outer one is 22 into 2, that is 44 mm. Let's activate center line and draw center line, one vertical and another inclined. Click select OK. Angle between this two center line, this is 15 degree, and center distance of two circle is 49 mm. Let's give dimensions. From here to here, this is 15 degree, and the inclined distance is 49 mm. Okay. Now we need to draw this circle which diameter is 12.75 maximum and 12.70 minimum, and this arc radius is 14 mm. Let's draw two circle here. Give dimension. This is 12.70 and the outer one is 14 into 2. Okay. Now activate line command from here to here. Right click. Okay. We have to draw these portions. Let's draw a center line horizontally. Right click, select OK. And from center to this edge distance is 57 mm. Give dimensions. This is 57 mm. Okay. Now here we need to cut these portions which dimensions is 12.75 and 12.70. Let's draw a circle here. Okay. Give dimensions. The diameter of this circle, this is 12.70 mm. Okay. Now activate line command and draw line here to here. Right click, select. Okay. From this center to this edge distance is 22 mm. Give dimensions. From center to this edge distance is 22 mm. Okay. Now press Ctrl and select this point and this point and make it vertical. Okay. Now activate mirror and select this line and mirror about through this line. Okay. From this edge to this edge distance is 36 mm. give dimensions. This point to this point, this is 36 mm. And this point to center distance is 18 mm as shown in this figure. Simply just escape it. Now I have to draw an arc here which radius is 67 mm. Activate arc and from here to here. Okay, and give dimensions. This radius is 67 mm. Okay, now press Ctrl and select this arc and this circle and make it tangent. And activate line command. Draw line from here to here. Right click, select. Now activate trim command and trim these portions, these portions, and also these portions. Okay, click OK and exit it. Okay, click on isometric and total thickness as given 28.52, maximum and minimum is 28.52 mm. Okay, make it select mid plane and the given thickness is 28.52 minimum. Okay, this portion is ready. Now we have to make this cutting portions. Okay, cutting thickness, this is 13.49 and the minimum is 13.23. Okay, let's select this face and click on sketch. Now activate corner rectangle and draw a rectangle here. Okay, give dimensions. The width, this is 13.23 mm. Okay, and draw a center line here. Right click, select and press Ctrl and select this line and this center line and make it symmetric. Okay, and from this edge to here distance is 38 mm as shown in this picture. Okay, now exit sketch. Okay, click on Extruded Cut and make it through all. Click OK. Done. Now we have to cut these portions also, which cutting thickness is 6 mm and this radius is 19 mm and from center to this here distance is 9 mm. Okay, select this page, click on sketch. Now activate circle command and draw a circle to the center point. Give dimensions. The diameter of the circle is 19 into 2, that is 38 mm. Okay, now activate center line command and draw a center line here. Right click, select. Now activate corner rectangle and draw a rectangle here. Okay, now give dimensions from this center line to this. This is 9 mm. This is 9 mm. Okay, and take it. You can take it 10 mm. Okay. Now I have to trim this inner portions. Okay, and also these portions. Okay, give dimensions and take it 20 mm. And select this point and this line and make it coincidence. Okay, exit sketch and click on Extruded Cut and click on blind, and given thickness this is 6 mm. 6 mm. Okay, now I have to mirror this Extruded Cut because this is both side cut. Select front plane and click on mirror. Okay, now click on features to mirror and click this arrow and select Extruded Cut 2 and click OK. See, the design is done. Now we have to activate real view graphics and change some appearance. Select, click on metal, steel and drag it. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel to get more videos.